Hey everybody, it's honestfred YouTube. I need to give you a quick update because something unexpected happened. YouTube took down my $1 code you need video. The system flagged it automatically, and when I appealed it, the appeal was rejected instantly. No human review, no explanation, just gone. And before I upload any video, I always make sure it follows YouTube's guidelines. I double check, I watch other creators posting the same style of content, and if you search right now, there are plenty of downloader code videos still online. So why was mine singled out? Honestly, the only thing I could think of is location. I'm in Canada. I see UK creators posting similar videos and their videos stay up. This isn't new. Whenever a video of mine starts doing really well, it feels like YouTube says, nope, not today. But listen, I'm not discouraged. I'm not stopping. A lot of you found me because of that video and you subscribed, and I really appreciate you for that. So I do have my private Facebook group you could join. To be a member, you just need to be subscribed to the channel, and as well as my honestfred.com website, where I'll be posting how-to videos to help. You know, a lot of content that I can post on YouTube, I'll be posting on my Facebook group as well as my official honestfred.com website. And to anyone who subscribed because of that video, thank you again. I'm not giving up. I'm actually stepping it up. I'm expanding the channel, still doing streaming devices, yes, but also phone apps, computer tools, privacy tips, AI tools, anything that helps you to learn, to make, or save money. My goal is to share knowledge, and nothing is going to stop me from doing that. But you know what you guys can do for me? If this video over here helps, do me a favor, like the shit out of this video and subscribe, okay? Because I'm not stopping. I'm going to keep going. I'm going to give you guys what you asked for, and I'm going to help you guys out. Nothing will stop me from helping you guys, but I need your help too. So please hit subscribe, like this video. And since we're pushing hard toward 50,000 subscribers, more than halfway there, I'm giving away 3 brand new Firestick devices. Yes, when we reach 30K, which is any day now, I'm going to give a Firestick 4K. When we reach 40K, I'm going to give a Firestick 4K Plus. And when we reach 50K, I'm going to be giving a Firestick Max. I love to give these away before Christmas. All you have to do is subscribe. I'll be randomly selecting winners from the subscriber list. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the comments. I enjoy reading them and replying. And thank you for sticking with me through the algorithm ups and downs. I'm Fred. You've been watching honestfred YouTube. I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next video.